Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are at the beautiful sunflower fields. It's at Terra Verde in Nooksack, Washington, and we decided to come here because it's a beautiful day and there's sunflowers everywhere. Who doesn't love sunflowers? At the Terra Verde sunflower field in Everson, Washington. This is their first year trying out a sunflower fields, and so far this is the only sunflower field I've seen in Whatcom County. They only have one kind of sunflower for now. So this is about 5 to 6 inches in diameter. Sunflower that you get the sunflower seeds out of, so you can roast them. My kids likes roasted sweet sunflower seeds.
Sunflower field. Oh, sunflower. Ah, bees!
Let's check.
Look it! Bees are pollinate.
Yes.
Oh, and that one too.
Yeah. The sunflowers right now are facing the sun. The sun is right
there.
Right up here.
Missed it.
And
a bee.
yeah. There's so many bees because they like the pollen and they're sucking all the nectars right now.
Like pollen in the lollipops.
Okay.
Oh.
How you doing?
Good.
Good.
Wow, look at bees.
The bees are hanging out.
Oh, look at the pollinator thing. Whoa.
So it's right next to the road. The road is right here. And it's about $5 per person to come here and $15 for 3 or more people. So if you come here, you should see the sunflowers on the side of the road, and that's where the walk starts. There's big sunflowers, and you can see there's the leaves have pollen. They're so pretty. We are walking in the sunflower fields all day long. Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
And it's not big as my hand.
No.
Oh, bee!
Do you see a bee?
Yeah, there.
Ooh, there's bees every flower. So, like that one.
And now that one, it looks like a little mouth.
Yeah. Thank you for watching our channel, and I hope you liked the video. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.